Udemy or Skillshare? Two giants in online learning, but which one really delivers? On the left, Udemy, the platform where you can learn anything, anywhere. And on the right, Skillshare, where creativity is unleashed. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into what actually matters. Each category gets points, and by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. Here's our game plan for today. We're breaking down Udemy versus Skillshare across 5 main categories: course variety, pricing and revenue, how creators get paid, features and customization, and here's something cool, community support. We'll talk about each one by one, keep things simple, and see who actually comes out on top. All right, category number 1, course variety. Okay, so Udemy, honestly, it's kind of wild. They've got something like 130,000 courses, covering everything from coding to business, even self-improvement. It's basically a buffet. The only catch, if you're looking for super artsy, creative stuff, it can feel a little, corporate. Now, flipping over to Skillshare, this is like the digital playground for creatives. Tons of content on illustration, photography, design. Their projects are actually fun. But if you're after topics like finance or IT, Skillshare feels kind of limited. So, for pure variety, Udemy totally smashes this round. Next up, pricing and revenue. Udemy lets you pick course prices, which is awesome. Plus, you can buy just the courses you want. But honestly, those prices can add up. Like, buying 10 separate courses, your wallet's already sweating. Skillshare is all about that subscription life. One monthly fee gets you everything. So if you love binging courses, it's a killer deal. Downside, if you're a creator, your earnings come from watch time, not from course prices. It's kind of a love-hate thing. In terms of value, Skillshare actually walks away with this one. Now for monetization. On Udemy, if you're bringing in your own students, you get almost all the revenue, like 97%. You set your prices, control everything. But there's definitely no guarantee people will actually buy. With Skillshare, they take care of marketing for you, which is nice. And you get paid out of their subscription pool. It's steady, but you can't control how much your course costs, which is either freeing or frustrating depending on your style. Honestly, if you want to make the most as a creator and really control your income, Udemy steals this category. Quick pause. Did you know both platforms actually let you try out classes for free before you buy or subscribe? Seriously, it's like test driving before you commit. If you're undecided, why not just check out their free trials and see for yourself? All right, let's talk features and customization. Udemy lets you upload so many types of content, set up quizzes, and even issue certificates that students actually want to brag about. The downside? It's a little less about community. Skillshare flips the script. They've got project-based classes and a very interactive vibe, which is awesome for connecting with other learners. The trade-off is, content formats are a bit limited. Still, if you want pure customization for course creators, Udemy definitely takes it here. Last category, community support. Udemy does offer some basic community stuff, but yeah, it's honestly not that exciting or interactive. With Skillshare, though, the whole platform is built around projects and collaboration. You want feedback from like-minded creatives? You'll get a ton of it. It's fun and energizing. Although, the support is super focused, not as diverse. If you value vibrant, hands-on communities, Skillshare wins this round. Visually, here's how both Udemy and Skillshare stack up, based on everything we've covered. Variety, pricing, monetization, features, and, yeah, the whole community aspect. The chart pretty much shows Udemy hugging the outer edge for control and variety, while Skillshare stands tall in creativity and community. So, if you're the sort of person who wants tons of choices and total control over how you monetize, Udemy is absolutely your platform in 2025. But if you're all about creativity, want to bounce ideas off like-minded folks, and love project-driven learning, Skillshare is the clear choice. Honestly, each one's got its quirks, but your pick should match your vibe. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.